Good day everyone. Today I'm going to explain the Global Power City Index or GPCI, the annual ranking that evaluates and compares major cities around the world based on their overall global influence and performance. It serves as a comprehensive framework for understanding how cities function as a center of power in different aspects of urban life. The GPCI measures 6 main functions. First is economy, next is research and development, next is cultural interaction, liability and environment, and accessibility. Each of these categories reflects a city's ability to attract people, capital, and enterprises, as well as to foster innovation and provide a high quality of life. At the top of the ranking is London, which remains the leading global city due to its strong economy, vibrant cultural interactions, and high level of accessibility. It continues to be a hub for finance, education, and international exchange. Next is New York, follow closely, recognized for its powerful economic structure, advanced research institution, and diverse cultural environment. Next is Tokyo. Tokyo ranks third, known for its excellence in research and development and its contribution to technological progress and innovation. Next is Paris. Paris maintains a high position as well, performing strongly in liability and cultural interaction, making it one of the most attractive and dynamic cities in the world. Other cities such as Singapore, Seoul, Amsterdam, Dubai, Berlin, Madrid, Shanghai, and Copenhagen, also known, show remarkable performance in various categories. Their inclusion demonstrates how global influence is not limited to Western cities, but is increasingly shared among regions with strong economies, innovation, and sustainability initiatives. To summarize this topic, the Global Power City Index highlights how cities compete and cooperate to strengthen their global standing. It reflects not only economic and technological power, but also social, environmental, and cultural dimensions that make a city truly influential in